We'll start today's video with a large brush and dark blue-purple paint. Our first step is to cover the whole artwork. Next, we'll switch to a small brush. We'll use water and white paint to create an outline for a circle in the middle of the artwork. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush and brown paint. We'll paint branches starting from the left or right side of the artwork. Next, we'll add a short curved line above white circle. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in green paint. We'll add short green needles around each branch. After washing and wiping our brush, we'll use white paint to create 3 white circles. The smallest circle will be on the top and the largest on the bottom. Next, we'll mix white and blue paint to add snow below the snowman. Now you can use water and a little bit of blue paint to create transparent blue circles next to the branches. After washing and wiping our brush, we'll use water and pink paint to add transparent pink circles. Next, we'll add transparent red circles. Using water and a little bit of yellow paint, we'll create transparent yellow circles. Next, we'll switch to a small brush to add a pointy red head on top of snowman's head. We'll be adding a striped scarf by painting short vertical red lines between small and medium white circles. Next, we'll add bright red small circles in the middle of each transparent red circle. After washing and wiping our brush, we'll repeat the same steps, this time using yellow paint. After washing and wiping our brush, we'll dip it in pink paint and we'll add small pink circles. After washing and wiping our brush, we'll use light blue paint to add small blue circles. After wiping our brush, we'll use green paint. We'll add green stripes between red stripes of the scarf. After washing and wiping our brush, we'll use brown paint to add arms and fingers for a snowman. Next, we'll mix yellow and red to create orange color. We'll use orange paint to create long nose for a snowman. After wiping our brush, we can dip it in black paint. We'll create a thin black line between ornament and branch. Next, we'll add small black dots for eyes, smile and buttons. After washing and wiping our brush, we'll use white paint to add thin highlights on the edges of the ornament. Next, we'll add couple thin brush strokes next to the edges. Now you can add small snowflakes around snowman. We'll add white pompon on the tip of the head. Then we'll add some fur next to the edges of the head. Now you can add a thin highlight on the brown part of the ornament. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.